mentioned before about different house bills on a master. So let's talk about that in like LCL terms. How does an LCL shipment moving through an intensive exam work?
So basically what's going to happen there, the process itself is going to be exactly the same. They're going to move it to a CES. They're going to unload it and segregate it. Customs is going to look at what they want to look at. And then once that is all said and done, those charges from the CES or the port or whoever bills those out, that's going to be prorated across that entire master bill, basically by how much space in that container your shipment took up. So if you had one pallet and a 40-foot container, your exam fees for that are going to be pretty low. But if you had 20 CBMs in that 40-foot container, you're going to be paying a pretty good chunk of those exam fees yourself.
So basically what you're saying is just as you buy LCL freight, you share the cost of the container with other importers. And even though your shipment may not be the one that's flagged for exam, you're going to share those costs based on how much size it takes up in the container with everybody else in that container.
That is correct.
Awesome. All right, let's move forward.